Hi folks, I've just received my first packaged version of the new turbo scraper, and I thought I might just do a quick unboxing for you so you can see exactly what you get. So here it is in all its glory. It's got a glossy sleeve over the top. On the back, some images of different uses of the tool and some technical information. So you slide that off, and we've got the matte black box. It's got nice sort of gloss lettering on it, quite a nice box. So let's open it up and see. We've got, well, yes, it's the turbo scraper. And that has some important setup information on it. Yep, worth reading, just on how to set it up, how to use the tool. That's very important, of course. This is a little power like a pro. Oh yes, so this is important. This is it's got a QR code here, and it links to tips and techniques and how to set it up. So if you don't take the trouble to read this properly, you may as well just go straight to a video, and that'll tell you. But the tips and techniques are really important, I think, because this is a great tool to use, and it's different to other cutting tools. It's actually designed to replace for us the burr disc, which I feel they scratch too much, and I really want a tool that cuts. It's got great visibility and it's got great control, a bit like a burr disc in fact. So that's the reason for the tool. And here we have, this is a catalogue of, other products that are produced by Arbortech on the power carving range, I guess. And here is a little blurb. It looks like a blurb about our environmental credentials, which are quite significant. This company is very focused on environmental issues, amongst other things. So there we go, a little blurb on that. And here's the tool right here. Comes with an Allen key to replace the carbide teeth, or actually to loosen them off and rotate them, because you will find, like most of our tools, it might eventually wear and go dull in one spot, and you can rotate it to a new edge. And the sharp edge is really important for the scraping action too, I think. So, yep, so there it is, all ready to go. I hope you get a lot of fun out of it. I'm looking forward to using one myself. Here I have one set up on my angle grinder, and this is a power carving unit, but I've replaced the plastic guard with the metal guard. That's what you want. You want to have the visibility through the tool as you're using it, because you can lay it flat and see through the tool as it's cutting and do some beautiful fine work. You can see plenty of good ideas on how to use it in the tips and techniques.